Hello students, in previous video we are studied the area of triangle. In that we use a different formula for calculating area of triangle. This formula is known as the Hero's formula. In that we use a semi-perimeter is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. And next formula is in the square root s into first bracket s minus a, second bracket s minus b, and third bracket s minus c. Okay, with the help of this formula we have to calculate the area of triangle. Today we also use this formula and calculating the area of irregular shapes. Okay, today's point is area of irregular shape. In that we use a different formulas and calculate the measurement of given area of a given shape. Okay, let's solve the first example. Look at this diagram. In that we have to calculate area of PQRS T. This diagram is irregular shape. These are not a perfect triangle, quadrilateral. Okay, these are in a irregular shape. Okay, let's start to solve this example. In this diagram, the PTS is a triangle. It consists of a BT is a height and PS is a base. Here for calculating PTS we have to use a formula base into height. After that, okay, in triangle PTS the base is PS. Okay, but PS is made up of PA, AB, BC and CS. PS is equal to PA plus AB plus BC plus CS. Okay, these all segment makes the segment PS. Let's add the values. PA is 30, AB is also 30 meter, BC is also 30 meter, and measurement of CS is 60 meter. Okay, calculate this. PS is 150 meter and BT is a height. Height BT is equal to 30 meter. Then area of triangle PST is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay, we have to use the first formula for calculating area PST. 1/2 is written as it is. Base we have to calculate, that is PS 150 meter into height 30 centimeter. We divide 30 by 2. Answer is 15. Write the remaining values. 150 into 15. Okay. What is the multiplication? 2250 meter. 2250 meter. It is area of triangle PST. Okay. Now calculate the area of triangle PAQ. Area of triangle PAQ. Look at this diagram. PAQ is a right angle triangle. So therefore PA is the base of this triangle and QA is the height of the triangle. Okay, is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay, let's add this value. 1/2 is equal to base is PA. The value of PA is 30 meter and height of this triangle is QA. and value of QA is 50 meter. Let's divide 30 by 2. Answer is 15. Add the remaining value 50 into 50. Okay, area of triangle PAQ is 750 meter. Likewise, we have to also calculate the area of triangle RCS. Area of triangle RCS. We also use this formula again, 1/2 into base into height. Okay, 1/2 written as it is. Base is CS and value of CS is 60 meter. And height of this triangle is PRC and value of RC is 25 meter. Okay, let's divide 60 by 2. Answer is 30. Remaining values are 13 into 25. Answer is 750 meter. Okay, we have to calculate area of triangle PAQ, that is 750 meter, and area of triangle RCS is a 750 meter, and area of triangle PTS is a 2250 meter. One quadrilateral remains as it is, that is QACR. This is the trapezium, and for calculating for area of this we can use a formula of trapezium. The formula of trapezium is 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides into height. We have to use this formula for calculating area of trapezium ACRQ. Okay. Okay, let's see again. First we have to calculate area of triangle PTS. In that we have to first calculate the base PS. Base PS is nothing but PA plus AB plus BC plus CS. We have to add this value into it, and base PS is 150. After that height is BT is given 30 meter. For calculating the area of triangle PST we have to use this formula, 1/2 into base into height. In that we have to add the values, 1/2 into 150 into 30. We have to divide 30 by 2. Answer is 15. Remaining values are 150 into 15. Answer will be 2250 meter. Area of triangle PST is equal to 2250 meter. After that we have to calculate area of triangle PAQ and RCS by using 1/2 into base into height. In that, area of triangle PAQ is equal to 750 meter and area of triangle RCS is equal to 750 meter. Okay, let's calculate the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium QACR is equal to 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Okay, this is the formula of trapezium, 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Let's add this value. 1/2 into parallel sides are QA and RC. Okay, QR plus RC into height is AC. Okay. Okay, let's add this value. 1/2 into value of QR is 50 plus value of RC is 25 and value of AC is 60. 1/2 into 75 into 60. Let's divide 60 by 2. Answer will be 30. Remaining values are 75 into 30, and answer will be 2250 meter. Okay. The area of trapezium QACR is equal to 2250 meter. Okay. In that QR and RC are the parallel sides. QR and AC are not parallel sides. Okay. Then value of AC is nothing but AB plus BC. AB is 30 cm and BC is 30 cm. Therefore, AB plus BC is AC. So 30 plus 30 we have to write here 60 meter. Okay. Then simply our answer is 2250 meter. Okay. Let's finally add all these values and calculate the area of this irregular shape. Okay. Let's write here area of PQRST is equal to area of triangle PAQ plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle PTS plus area of trapezium ACRQ. Okay, for calculating the irregular surface PQRST, we have to add the all area of triangles into addition and area of trapezium into it. Okay, what is the value of area of triangle PAQ? That is 750 meter, and RCS is also 750 meter. PTS is 2250 and trapezium is 2250 meter. Okay, our final answer is 6000 square meter. Okay, our final answer is 6000 square meter. Students, hope you understand this example. In that we have to first calculate area of triangle PTS. In that we first calculate the base of this triangle PS is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60, and the base is 150. BT is the height of this triangle and value of BT is 30. For calculating this, our final answer is 2250 meter. After that we have to calculate area of triangle PAQ and area of triangle RCS with the help of formula 1/2 into base into height, and answer will be 750 square meter. After that we have to calculate area of trapezium QACR by using this formula, that is 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Simply we add this value and getting answer 2250 meter. Finally, for calculating the irregular surface, we have to add these all values, that is area of PAQ, area of RCS, area of triangle PTS and area of trapezium QACR. For addition, our final answer is 6000 square meter. Simply in this example, you have to find out the triangle and trapezium shapes and use this formula, and finally add these all values and getting area of irregular surface. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारचे प्रश्न सोडवत असताना दिलेल्या आकृतीमधील तुम्हाला त्रिकोण किंवा समांतरभुज चौकोन शोधायचे आहेत, आणि तिथं जर तो त्रिकोण काटकोन त्रिकोण असेल तर बेस इंटू हाईट हा फॉर्म्युला तुम्ही वापरू शकताय. जर काटकोन त्रिकोण नसेल तर तुम्ही हिरोज फॉर्म्युला वापरून तिथं त्याचं क्षेत्रफळ काढू शकताय. आणि शेवटी जेवढ्या आकृत्या लपलेल्या आहेत त्या सर्व आकृत्या शोधून तुम्ही क्षेत्रफळ काढल्यानंतर त्या सर्वांची येणारी बेरीज म्हणजे तुमचं त्या अनियमित आकाराच्या जागेचं क्षेत्रफळ असतं. आता आपण या पुढील उदाहरण सोडवूया. ओके स्टुडंट्स, लेट्स सॉल्व द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. In this second example, we have to calculate area of A, B, C, D. In that, some triangles are present. We have to first find out the area of this triangle, and after that, we have to get the answer of area of A, B, C, D, E. Okay, look at the first triangle A, B, E. In that, AB is given 24 centimeter and BE is given 30 centimeter. This triangle BAE is a right angle triangle. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we have to identify or calculate side AE. Triangle BAE is right angle triangle. So therefore, according to Pythagoras theorem, okay, we have to use a Pythagoras theorem for it. According to Pythagoras theorem, BE square is equal to BA square plus AE square. Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem, BE square is equal to BA square plus AE square. Let's add this value. Value of BE is 30 square. Value of BA is 24 square. And AE should be calculated. So therefore it is written as it is. 30 square is answer of this 900. Okay. 24 square is 576 plus AE square. Okay, then after that 900 minus 576 is equal to AE square. Okay, subtract this. Our answer is 324. 324 is equal to AE square. Taking a square root, answer will be 13 meter. Okay, AE is 18 meter. Okay. Okay, now find out the area of triangle BAE. In that AE is a base, we have to already calculated, that is 18 meter, and AB is a height of the triangle. So for calculating area of triangle BAE is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay, for calculating BAE, the base is AE 18 centimeter and height BA is a 24 centimeter. Okay, so write this, add this value. 1/2 into base is 18 meter and height is 24 meter. Okay, divide 18 by 2, answer will be 9. Then remaining values are 9 into 24. Okay, what will be answer? Okay, our answer will be 216 square meter. 216 square meter. We have to calculate area of triangle AEB, and value of this triangle is 216 square meter. After that, we have to calculate area of triangle BCE with the help of Hero's formula. Students, after calculating area of triangle ABE, answer is 216 square meter. After that, we have to calculate area of triangle BCE. BCE. Okay. Area of triangle BCE. In that, value of BC is 26, CE is 28 and BE is 30. Okay, BC is equal to 26 meter, EC is equal to 28 meter and BE is equal to 30 meter. All three sides measurement we have to know. So here there is no right angle triangle or height is not present. So we have to use Hero's formula. First we have to calculate semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, S is equal to value of A is 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. Okay, let's add this value. (84) divided by 2. Value of S is 42. Value of S is 42. Then write the next formula. Area of triangle BCE is equal to into square root S into first bracket S minus A into second bracket S minus B and third bracket S minus C. Okay, add the value. Value of S is 42. 42 minus 26. 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. First we have to solve the bracket. 42 into 42 minus 26 is 12. 42 minus 26 is 16 and 42 minus 13 is equal to 14. Okay, simplify this. 7 6 are 42. 6 2 are 12. Then 4 4s are 16 and 7 2s are 14. Okay, let's write the same values together. 7 into 7, then 6 into 6, then 2 into 2 and 4 into 4. Taking square root, 7 into 6 into 2 into 4 and our answer is 356 square meter. 356 square meter. Okay, we have to calculate area of triangle BCE and our answer is 356 square meter. For calculating this, we have to first calculate semi-perimeter with the help of given measurement. The value of S will be 42. After that, we have to use this formula. In this formula, we have to add the values and final answer will be 356 square meter. Okay, one triangle is remains, that is triangle CPE. In that base is given CE 28 and height FD is equal to 16 centimeter. So we have to use a formula 1/2 into base into height. Okay, area of triangle CDE is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Base into height. Okay, add these values. 1/2 into base is 28 and height is 16. 16 divided by 2, answer is 8. Then 28 into 8. Okay, multiplication is 224 square meter. Okay, area of triangle CDE is equal to 224 square meter. Okay, for calculating ABCDE, we have to add area of triangle ABE, area of triangle BCE and area of triangle CDE. Okay, let's see what will be the answer. Area of ABCDE A is equal to area of triangle ABE plus area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle CDE. Okay, let's add this value. CDE is equal to 224. Okay, what is the value of ABE? Okay, BCE we have to calculate. Okay, that is 356. Okay, and AB is 260. Let's add this value. Our answer is 796 square meter. Okay, area of irregular surface ABCDE is 796 square meter. Okay, in this answer we have to first calculate area of triangle ABE. In that, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we have to calculate AE, that is 18 meter. After that, we have to use area of triangle BAE is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So our answer is 216 square meter. Okay, after that we have to calculate area of triangle BCE. First we have to write semi-perimeter. Value of S will be 42. And after that calculation, value is 356. After that we have to calculate area of triangle CDE by using formula 1/2 into base into height. And our answer is 224 square meter. For calculating irregular surface ABCDA, all three triangles should be add, and our answer will be 796 square meter. Dear student, hope you understand both the example. You have to practice this example in your notebook. Okay, and also solve this example again in your notebook. See you in next video. Thank you.